Are you an automotive technician or looking to become one soon? Are you looking forward to having very little paid time off, if any at all? And I'm sure it's important for you to have paid sick leave time too, right? Are you looking forward to having zero control over your Christmas bonus? Did you know most shops don't even have Christmas bonuses? Well, you at least want a fun work environment with great culture, right? At our shops, we have a solution to all of this. Tap Learn More to find out about paid vacations, paid holidays, paid training, opportunity for Saturdays off, and up to $4,000 in a Christmas bonus you determine, and so much more.
And cut.
That was good, guys, huh?
Yeah, good job.
So surely, did they tap the button yet? No? They don't want to find out about the holiday pay? No? Paid training? Huh. And what a fun culture we got here. Great job, guys. Great job. Awesome.